the backwards pizza, pepperoni pizza cooked in the Gozney Dome. Find out how we made this. Stick around. What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John. Today's video, I'm going to be doing pizza, but I'm going to basically be doing it kind of backwards. Normally sauce, cheese, topping. This time I'm going to go down with the topping, cheese, and then the sauce at the very end. It's kind of like a backwards pizza. So let's go ahead and take a look. We have our dough here, 50% poolish at 70% hydration. I'll go ahead and link that above. Again, it's a 24-hour dough recipe. I got my toppings over there. I'm going to be using the Gozney Dome. So let's go ahead and let's get this dough ball here. This is about 270 grams, so this should be good for about a good 12-inch pizza. So I'm just going to get this down in there. The dough is good and it's been ready. It's been at room temp, so it's going to be nice and soft. And let's get this. Again, we'll go ahead and stretch this all the way through. You can hear that air in that crust. Get that stretched out. Again, here, just building out that crust, and you're going to definitely see a lot of air in there. I'll do one more here. Kind of get this popped out. All right, and let's go ahead and get this stretched. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. Get down some of our semolina. All right, and like I said, we're gonna go down with our toppings. Again, we're just doing some pepperoni, so we're just gonna go ahead and get this lined up all the way around, up to the crust. And yeah, comment down below, how do you make your pizza? I know some people do put their sauce down first, and then they'll put their toppings and then their cheese. Any way is fine, but which way do you do it? Comment down below, let me know. And we're gonna get our cheese. And I'm just gonna be putting our cheese all the way around as well. And this is about 120 grams of cheese. So it's, you know, basically pretty perfect for a 12-inch pizza. And then our sauce, we have our red sauce here. This is just some Bianco di Napoli. With a little bit of salt, and I'm just going to kind of be doing some little dollops here. And with the heat, it should spread some more of it out. And we're going to go a little bit more. All right. And like I said, we have the Gozney Dome. It's been preheating now for about 45 minutes to an hour. And let's go straight out to the oven. I'm gonna go straight in. I'm gonna get the oven turned down. And I'm gonna let that cook. Again, comment down below, like this video, share it with your friends, your family. Again, it's very much appreciated. I do have some affiliate links down below. So again, it helps me, helps the channel, so that we can continue making videos like this. And so again, we've got that cooking there. Bottom is cooking nicely, so we're just going to go ahead and spin that around back into the same spot. And if you were here, you could smell that, smelling really, really good. Cheese is melting, crust is rising up nicely as well. So the bottom is cooking nice and fast. So what I'm gonna do now is just basically lifting it up and letting it cook on each side. This is just helping the crust cook a little bit better. Actually may turn up just a little bit. See, it's cooking pretty good there. So we're just getting that crust finished here. All right, we're almost finished. Just got a little bit more here on this side. Just a little bit more right here. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. Fully cooked all the way. Let's go ahead and get inside it onto the cooling rack. All right, so now that we have it on the cooling rack, as you can see the lines of the sauce, how it just kind of cooked in with the oven. Crust is fully cooked all the way around. Let's take a look at this bottom. Bottom is cooked nicely. So let's go ahead and let that cool down and then we'll be back shortly. All right, here is the pizza again. This is the backwards pizza. The toppings went down first, so pepperoni, cheese, and then our sauce. Let's go ahead and let's cut into this. Nice and crispy. Get this one right here. Let's get this piece right here. So again, let's take a look at that crust. All the way through, nice and crispy. Can't go wrong with the pepperoni pizza. So if this is something you like my video, turn on that bell notification to be notified when I do make new videos. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and let's connect there. Talk soon.